Hello everyone, good evening. In this video guys, I'm going to have my dinner. I got here fruits. This one is guava, apple, and papaya. And two boiled egg with lemon juice. Mahilig ako guys ang boiled egg with lemon juice. And curry vegetables. And sweet potato. And yakult. So guys, ngayon na ako kakain ng dinner na marami because tomorrow guys is my physical check-up, so I need to prepare for my stall. So hindi ako mahirapan alam mo na yun guys, na kailangan sa medical. So guys, ito na guys, and let's eat. Hindi ko na siya dasalan guys. Understood na yun guys. Ang Diyos naman guys, understanding. Alam na ng Diyos na pinapasalamat ko ng grasya na to. Mostly ang aking dinner guys I only eat fruits. Ngayon lang, but this time I need to have a lot with heavy one for tomorrow for my physical check-up preparation nga guys. Kailangan ko ubusin ito. Itong heavy lang ang ubusin ko. Ang fruits hindi. May electric fan sa tabi ko guys. Super init. Grabe. I love eating curry vegetables. Shout out to all. Hindi ko siya masyadong pahabain. Tama na ang 3 minutes. Maybe 3 minutes na. Hindi ko na makain tong sweet potato. Na-feel ko na nabusog ako. Busog na ako guys. Panakain lahat. Okay, 3 minutes na. Okay guys, naka 3 minutes na ako. Hindi ko na siya pahabain pa. Once again, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications to get you updated whenever I have new videos uploaded. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.